Hello everyone, welcome to Prakriya Educations. I am Uma Mallikarjun. In this module, we shall discuss about the concept binary operations. Check the next problem. On the set of natural numbers, the operation is defined as a star b is equal to a minus b. Now, we may consider any two natural numbers. For example, if you are choosing 3 and 4, which belongs to the set of natural numbers, according to the operation, 3 star 4 is equal to 3 minus 4, which gets back minus 1, which does not belong to the set of natural numbers, and hence we have arrived at the counter example. Therefore, you may conclude that the image of 3, 4 under minus does not belong to the set of natural numbers, and hence you can conclude that star is not binary operation on the set of natural numbers. Check the next problem. The same operation a star b is equal to a minus b on the set of all integers. Now you may observe that if you are taking any two integers and subtracting those two integers, you get back an integer again, and hence you may conclude that star is a binary operation on the set of all integers. Now moving on for the second one, that is to prove whether the operation is commutative. You may take any example, that is, if I am taking 3, 4, which belongs to the set of all integers, then the operation a star b, which is 3 star 4, gives us 3 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 1. Now, reversing the numbers, that is 4 star 3, we get 4 minus 3, which is nothing but 1. Now you can observe that 3 star 4 is giving us minus 1 and 4 star 3 is giving us 1. And hence you can conclude that 3 star 4 is not equal to 4 star 3, and hence come to the conclusion a star b will not be equal to b star a. We have got the counter example here. And also we may now conclude that star does not satisfy commutative law. Now moving for the third problem of the same kind but on the set of all real numbers. Now again taking any two real numbers and subtracting the two numbers, we get back a real number, and hence you can also write the same mathematical way and conclude that star is binary operation on the set of all real numbers. Now coming for the second one, that is for the commutative, you can again take the same counter example, and hence we may also conclude that star does not satisfy commutative law in the set of all real numbers also. And hence you can now very clearly notice that in the set of all natural numbers, a minus b, that is minus, is not even a binary operation, but it is binary operation in the set of all integers as well in the set of all real numbers, but it is neither commutative in both the set of all integers as well in the set of real numbers. Since the operation star does not satisfy the commutative law, you may notice that star even does not satisfy the associative law. You can also observe that there is no identity element as well the inverse element for the operation star in either the natural number sets or in the real number set or in the set of all integers. In the same pattern, try for the operation a star b, which is equal to a by b, that is the division of two numbers where b not equal to 0 in the set of all natural numbers and the integers and the set of all real numbers. You can clearly observe that the operation A by B is not a binary operation on the set of natural numbers. It is not even a binary operation in the set of integers, but it is a binary operation in the set of all real numbers, since real numbers contains all the numbers of kind P by Q. And also you can clearly notice that it will never be commutative, associative, and neither identity element and inverse exists in both natural number set and the set of all integers. In the same pattern, you can conclude that in the set of all real numbers, the operation A by B is not even commutative, do not satisfy the associative law, and identity and inverse element also do not exist. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative or associative. And the question defined is, on the set of all rational numbers, operation defined as A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Firstly, we shall check whether the operation given is a binary operation. Now, if you are taking any two rational numbers and multiplying those two rational numbers, we get a rational number back. And if you are adding the same rational number to 1, we get back again a rational number. And hence we can conclude that if you are taking any two rational numbers, then AB plus 1 is also a rational number. And hence we can conclude, since star carries each pair AB to a unique element AB plus 1 in Q, star is a binary operation on the set of all rational numbers Q. Secondly, we shall verify whether star satisfies the commutative law. Firstly, in the LHS, A star B gives us AB plus 1. We shall take that equation 1. Similarly, if you are checking for RHS, B star A gives us BA plus 1, and since we know that AB is equal to BA, we can rewrite RHS also as AB plus 1. Hence, taking that as equation 2, you can now conclude from equation 1 and 2 that LHS is equal to RHS, and hence A star B is equal to B star A, and therefore star satisfies commutative law on the set of all rational numbers. Thirdly, we shall now verify whether star satisfies associative law. Again, starting with LHS, that is A star B star C. Applying the operation, we get A star BC plus 1. Again, applying the same operation, we get A into BC plus 1 plus 1, and hence simplifying that, we get ABC plus A plus 1 as our LHS and take that as equation 1. Similarly, for the RHS, continuing in the same way, we get RHS as ABC plus C plus 1 and take that as equation number 2. And hence from equation 1 and 2, we can conclude that LHS is not equal to RHS, and hence A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. And therefore, we can now conclude finally that star does not satisfy associative law on the set of all rational numbers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.